if you recently changed seats, or if you just need a refresher, this video will explain how you can set up your favorites in Windows Explorer. So first of all, you're going to need a Windows Explorer window, so you can either double click on Computer on your desktop or go down to the Start menu and click on Computer. And the first favorite you're going to want to have is for your Apps folder. So click on Documents, find your Apps folder. I'm going to use my OneEven folder as an example here. Yours will just say Apps 1 or Apps 2. And then you click and hold your left mouse button and you drag directly onto the word Favorites. And it'll say Create Link in Favorites. That's exactly what you'll do. When you let go, it'll be added to the end of your favorites here. And then you just right click on it, choose Rename, and title it Apps 1 if necessary. You probably won't have to rename it because it probably already is named Apps 1 or Apps 2, whichever one you want. I'm going to delete that because I don't need it. Second favorite you're going to need is the share drive. So go to Computer right down here, and you can expand Computer just by clicking the little triangle over here and go directly to Building Share or Academic Files / Building Share. And find me, KM Adams, which you can either do by typing KM or scrolling down until you see KM Adams. And if you're in 7th grade, drag the 7th Computer Applications folder to Favorites. If you're in 8th grade, drag the 8th Computer Applications folder to Favorites. Either one. And then, again, right-click on what you just created, rename, and for this, title it Share. Remember, these only show up on the computer that you're on, so it doesn't matter if you have a share drive for another class, because you won't notice it there. It won't be there. All right, I'm going to delete that one too, but you leave yours where it is. And the last one is the Dropbox. So if you need to, go back to Building Share again. Go back to KM Adams again. You probably won't need to, because you'll probably still see this. Open up Dropbox, and then find your class. So I'll imagine that this is 7 even. Whichever one you're in, click and drag to Favorites, and then rename that to simply Dropbox. Capitalization doesn't matter to me for this. Press return when you're done. Let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.